Hi, Brian from Sipkins Nurseries here, and we just wanted to welcome you to spring 2024. Here at the Garden Center, we get a lot of inquiries about fruit trees early in the year, a lot of people hoping to get varieties that they like. And in the Garden Center right now, we have a really good array of fruit trees. We don't have everything that we will have, but right now we have a lot of pears, apples, a bunch of plums, and some cherries, as well as a few other trees. And we have a lot of our berry bushes in already. Even plants like strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and they're all available here in the Garden Center and ready for planting. Now, we do have some items that will come along available later in the year. We hope to have peaches coming on early in May and then another batch in June. But there is a pre-order system for a lot of fruit trees that will be coming later. So if you don't see the variety that you're looking for right now, you can check our Shopify page, and that will allow you to pre-book a number of other varieties that you might have your heart set on. And one thing you won't find on there is peaches, because we don't post those for pre-order sales. But come on in, pick out a new fruit tree or two for your yard so that you can get growing your own produce for this year and years to come.